In today's class of MIS, that is Management Information System, I will discuss the new topic, end user computer. First of all, we must know the meaning of end user. End user means final user or customer who has purchased, and it also means consumer who is finally using the product. So it is called end user computing. Computing means computer or system, that is management information system. So in this topic I will tell what is end user computing. End user means consumer who finally uses the given computer or system. So here it is written, until 1980s only professional computer operators, yes, initially only operators who were operating on the computer, only they had access to information system. It is very important to note down, until 1980s only professional computer operators means only operators were had access to information systems. But since then, उसके बाद the increasing number of PCs being used in businesses have exposed more. But afterwards, PCs means personal computers are using more in business, so they have exposed more and more people to information systems. So when PCs were increased, they also provided the facility to expand businesses and more people to add with information system, that is IS. The US means United States Census Bureau found that over 50% of workers' jobs involve computer use for all or part of the workday. The capability of users to have direct control of their own computing needs is referred to as user computing or end user computing. It is also called end user or user computing. Same is written here, means when the users are directly involved for operating computers or systems, this capability of users to have direct control of their own computing needs is referred as end user computing. This is the main definition. When users have directly control over information systems, it is called end user computing. End users could now use their own computing resources to support their job requirements instead of waiting for the indirect support of centralized corporate information systems services departments. In many organizations, end user computer has been growing at the rate of 50% to 70% per year. It is important to note down, in many organizations, end user computing is growing at the rate of 50% to 70% per year, compared with the growth rate of 10% to 20% for data processing. Means data processing is used for 10 to 20% and end user computing is used for 50 to 70%. Users responsible for planning, developing and using information systems, frustrated with long systems development cycles, frozen requirement specifications and unresponsive maintenance procedures, have taken advantage of such tools as report writers and microcomputer based software to develop their own applications. MIS organizations have responded to this situation by organizing user support centers. Yes, now user support centers are there, also termed as information system. User support centers are called information centers, responsible for facilitating and coordinating end user computing. Consultants provide tools, training and support services for users. Now consultants are providing tools, training and support services for users, means consumers. Very big level means 4th generation software development systems provide improved software support for end user development. Now end user computing is supported everywhere. Consultants are supporting users or consumers by providing tools, training and support services. This is the topic for today. It's called end user computing. It can be asked in your examination. So complete your notes by seeing this video. You will have to write this topic, end user computing, in your notebook. Next topic I will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you everyone for listening me.